For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
55,079 COVID-19 cases and 876 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours in India. Total COVID-19 cases in India stand at 27,02,743. Currently, there are 6,73,166 active cases. 19,77,780 people have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, the death toll in India has climbed to 51,797. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana contribute to 80% of the cases in the country. Maharashtra continues to report the highest number of cases in India. As on 18th of August, the active cases stand at 1,55,579. Recovered cases stand at 4,28,514. Deaths have risen to 20,265 and total cases stand at 6,04,358. Tamil Nadu reports the second highest number of cases in the country. As on 18th August, the active cases in Tamil Nadu are 54,122. Recovered cases are 2,83,937 and 5,886 deaths have been reported. Total cases stand at 3,43,945. Andhra Pradesh has the third highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country. As on 18th August, the active cases in Andhra Pradesh stand at 84,777. Recovered cases stand at 2,09,100. Deaths have risen to 2,732 and total cases stand at 2,96,609. Karnataka has the third highest number of active cases in the country. As on 18th August, the active cases in Karnataka are 80,643. Recovered cases are 1,48,562. Deaths have risen to 4,062 and total cases stand at 2,33,283. The total number of COVID-19 samples tested up to August 17th is 3,09,41,264. 8,99,864 samples were tested on August 17th. COVID-19 pandemic continues to wreak havoc across the globe. India is only behind US and Brazil when it comes to confirmed COVID-19 cases.